Hey creators, welcome back to the HitPaw channel. Today, we're putting another AI tool to the test. Let's jump right in. Quick question for you. Have you ever opened a video and noticed there's text baked into its subtitles, dates, random captions, and there's absolutely no way to switch them off? Yeah, that's the worst. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to remove text from a video online for free using AI. No blurry cover-ups, no loss in quality, and no software download required. We're using HitPaw Online Video Text Remover, and everything works directly in your browser. The process is really straightforward. Just upload your video, give it a moment to load, then mark the text you want gone: subtitles, timestamps, stickers, anything stuck on the screen. Once that's done, click Save. The AI removes the text automatically and rebuilds the background so it still looks natural. No blocky blur, no strange artifacts, the result stays clean. Another big plus is that it's completely free, with no watermark and no annoying ads while you're editing. And it works across platforms: Windows, Mac, even on mobile. Your content stays private as well. Files are processed securely, so you don't have to worry about your videos ending up somewhere sketchy. If you're a content creator, reusing footage, or fixing a video that's already been exported, this tool can save you a ton of time. I'll put the link in the description. Try it out, and if this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe for more AI tools, and I'll catch you in the next one.